Friends, imagine a situation that today is your 50th birthday and you are relaxing on a recliner at some exotic beach location in a foreign country along with your wife with a beer mug in your hand, and suddenly a notification comes on your iPhone that your account has been credited by rupees 5 lakhs. Wow, what a dream situation. When you achieve that situation, right, where you don't have to work, where you have all the time with you, you can spend remaining of your life by pursuing your long cherished hobbies. You can go for charity, you can go for philanthropic work, you can spend quality time with your children and grandchildren. What a dream situation it is. Now it is called financial freedom. Excited, right? So, would you like to have financial freedom by the time you turn 50? Let us discuss about this today. Now, what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is something where you don't have to work, your cash flow stops, and whatever amount or money which you are getting month on month is your passive income. Now, this passive income comes to you by three sources. The first is the interest income, which you may be getting from your FDs. The second is your rental income, if you have some residential or commercial property which is rented out. And the third is the dividend income, which you could be getting from your equities and mutual funds. And fourth is the passive income, which could be coming to you from a systemic withdrawal plan from the equities or mutual funds portfolio which you have generated over a period of your life. Now this is something, a passive income which comes to you month on month, for which you don't have to work, but here the money is working for you. Now what is this amount? When you can declare yourself as financially free? The definition goes like this. The first condition is that you need to have a debt-free home. Second condition is that you need not have any kind of liabilities left. And the third condition is you need to have 30 to 50 times of your annual expenses into the financial assets, preferably into the equities and mutual fund. Secondly, there are two more conditions that we have to take into account, that inflation is going to be around 7% during whole of your post-retirement life, and your corpus, retirement corpus, will give you 10% return year on year during your post-retirement life. So here we have taken a 3% alpha, that's 7% inflation and 10% post-retirement corpus appreciation year on year. Now if this is the situation, let us understand this by an example. Suppose if you feel that to spend a luxurious life today, you need to have 2 lakh rupees per month. So by this definition, your yearly expense will be 12 into 2 lakhs, that is 24 lakhs. You need to have 30 to 50 times, that is 30 times comes to 7.2 crores, 50 times comes to 12 crores. So 7.2 to 12 crores rupees you need to have in equities and mutual funds. Now suppose during the first month, on every 1st January, you are getting 2 lakh rupees into your account by systemic withdrawal plan from the January to December. In the next year, when the inflation is 7%, you will be now getting 2 lakh 14,000 rupees month on month for the second year. Likewise, as the inflation increases, you are getting more and more funds as a systemic withdrawal plan, and your remaining portfolio appreciates by 10% year on year. Now, in this situation, if your amount is 30 times of your annual expenses, then this corpus will last for 50 years. By the time you turn 100, both of you, and then it gets completely exhausted. But if it is 50 times, then you will leave a large corpus, even at the age of 100, to your next generation. So this is a definition of financial freedom. Now, How to achieve the financial freedom? For that, you need to undergo complete financial planning and to get this goal. That should be your ultimate goal. So let us go from plenty of problems to the problems of plenty. Thank you, friends. So today we have discussed about financial freedom, and we will be discussing such important topics and interesting topics in the coming videos. Thank you very much.